Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to post this video for you guys. This is pretty much my everyday, currently my everyday makeup routine. This is what I wake up and do every morning before I go to work and start my day. So I start off by using some highlighter, and I just kind of get rid of the dark circles, and I go in with my foundation. So I already did my eyebrows off camera as well. I usually start with that before I do the concealer, but right now I'm just using L'Oreal's True Match foundation, and I'm just going ahead and blending that all over my face, and not forgetting to blend near the ears and my neck. You don't want to have that like mask face where your makeup is literally just on your face and it doesn't look natural. I also like to go in between my brows. This is something I've been doing recently that has been saving my life in the morning. I go ahead and put the lash glue on my eyelashes and let them dry while I do everything else. So I'm just going in with my UOMA concealer and just blending that out just to give my face a little bit more highlight. I'll leave all the products down in the description box below. But yep, so I'm just going ahead and blending that, and then what I'm going to do is go in with my Coty Airspun setting powder and just go ahead and set my face with that. Just usually the places where I get oily and wherever I set my highlight at. And I tend to get very oily, so this is why I put that much on my face. But then I'm going ahead and going in with the LA Girls pressed powder to just kind of bring some more color back into my face and set the rest of my foundation. I just started using this palette and I'm obsessed. I'm going ahead and using two shades kind of mixed together, and using this as like a blush contour, I'm just blending it all together. I usually do this in the morning just because it's faster. It gives my face some color and definition without me having to use a contour shade and then use a blush shade, so I just kind of use both. And I guess that this would be just me bronzing my face or adding color. So I'm going ahead and doing that, and I really love this Morphe brush I'm using. I've been using that to use my contour. It's a Morphe contour brush. I don't know, y'all. I'll leave everything down in the description so that you guys can take a look at the products if you're interested in trying them. I'm going ahead and contour my forehead and underneath my chin as well as my nose. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but this is actually realistic because this is how it looks in the morning when I'm doing my makeup, and then I'll show you guys at the end what I do. I just kind of blend everything. I actually went in with one of the deeper purple shades, and just to like make the definition I guess a little bit more better. Then I'm going in same palette with their highlighting shade. I'm just going to add that to my cheekbones and then kind of like this area here by my brow. I guess it's still part of my cheekbones, just like a higher part, so I put it on my cheeks, and then right in this little area on my nose, the bridge of my nose, do my forehead, and then my chin, and also like my cupid's bow or like the top of my lip. And then this is what I do at the end of my makeup every day is I go ahead and take just a regular clean brush and I blend everything together just so that it looks super natural, because I know in the morning sometimes I'm brushing. I'm going ahead and with the mascara just to coat I'm coating my eyebrows first, but I use this sometimes like as a makeup eyebrow gel, and I'm going in with that, and then also on my eyelids so I can put my lashes on. So yep, if you guys want a separate video of how I do my eyelashes, I can do that, but I'm going ahead and with the lip liner. I usually use just like a brown lip liner just to line my lips, and then this is a sneak peek of one of the new shades that I am about to release. I'm going in with the Morphe Sweetie collab setting spray just to set my face, and this is the finished look, guys. Super easy. I do this every day. It takes me about 15 minutes, and I hope you guys like the video. See you in my next one.